Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, here today to share with you our lowering springs for the 2011 to 2019 Ford Explorer. As we've highlighted in some of our other product videos for the Ford Explorer, we know that you're utilizing your truck in many different ways, whether it's going to the hardware store, going to the grocery store, hauling the family around the country, taking the boat to the local lake, or even better, towing your race car. There's a wide range of uses that each of you are using your Explorer for, and we designed our springs with all of those uses in mind. Now it only lowers the truck approximately 7/8 of an inch up front and 1 3/8 inch in the back. And they're only about 20% stiffer than stock. Now we went a little bit stiffer so you'd have better towing capability, a more sporting feel or a more connected feel to the road, and let's be honest, it looks awesome with these springs on it. We've also kept in mind though that you're going to be driving this truck every day or want to, and across the country. So the springs are subtle enough where they're not going to be harsh by any means. Again, just simply more connected to the road. As you've come to expect from Steeda, we spent a ton of time developing these for the Explorer, from determining the perfect ride height and the ideal spring rates, to constructing them of silicon alloy steel. Then we complete these with a durable powder coat finish. They're made in the USA and we back them with our lifetime warranty. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Likewise, if you enjoyed the content of this video, please click like and be sure to share it with other Explorer friends. If you'd like to learn more about these and other products we offer for the Explorer and other Ford vehicles, visit us at Steeda.com. Be sure to follow us on social media and most importantly, have a great day.